Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to add hotspot button in Control Center on iOS 18.1. So for adding hotspot button in Control Center, you need to scroll up from the right side of the screen. Then you can see Control Center page will pop up on your screen. So here for adding hotspot button, at the top left corner, you have this plus icon, click on it. Then at the bottom, add a control option will appear, just tap on it. Then this type of page will pop up here. Use this search bar, and in search bar you need to search for personal hotspot. Once you search for it, then personal hotspot option will pop up. You need to simply click on it. Then in Control Center you can see personal hotspot option is added. Once this toggle is added, you can click on this little hook at the bottom right of the toggle in order to make it smaller or bigger. And we can put it anywhere where we want in Control Center. So this is very simplest and easiest way to add hotspot button in Control Center on iPhone iOS 18. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.